and torture consultant. And may I introduce my glamorous assistant, Genghis. Hello! Together, we like to think of ourselves as the team that make us scream. Genghis, what did we say about personal space? Now stop stroking that lady and come here.
And where are the torture victims?
Not victims, sir. We like to call them our special guests. It gives the place a friendly family feel, doesn't it, Genghis?
Yes. A family feel?
Oh yes, sir. Torture runs in the family. Genghis, your father loved working in the dozen, didn't he?
Yes, Master. It gave him a warm, glowing feeling inside.